Hi, do you want to improve your English writing skills? Let me tell you a secret. Just kiss. Trust me, it works. When I was completing my graduation in English Honours, one day our professor, Ma'am Dunn, just walks into the class and asks us the same question. Do you all want to improve your English writing skills? We all said, yes, of course. Then she just scribbled on the board, K-I-S-S. The entire class went silent for a moment. Then a little giggle here and a little giggle there until the entire class was laughing. Our professor looked at us and then she continued to scribble on the board. Keep it simple, stupid. Kiss or keep it simple, stupid was first coined by Kelly Johnson, who was an aircraft engineer, and it was a designed principle noted by the US Navy in 1960s. The principle of KISS implies that the best way to do anything is simply not to complicate it too much. So today I'm going to give you 4 simple strategies to improve your English writing skills by using the KISS strategy. Let's get started. Number 1, keep your sentence short and simple. Avoid using too fancy words that do not add any meaning or value to your sentences. You want to show your English writing skills that is accurate and correct, not which is complicated and incorrect. For example, the doctor provided an explanation for these unusual reports. Now, if you want to make it short and simple, you will say, the doctor explained these unusual reports. Short and simple. My strategy number 2, avoid using contraction. Now, what are contractions? Contractions are those words which we get when we add 2 words. For instance, can't is a combination of can and not. Don't is a combination of do and not. The word gonna is a combination of going and to. The word wanna is a combination of want and to. Though I would generally advise you don't use these 2 words, gonna and wanna, because it doesn't give a very professional sound and tone to your writing. Though it is generally used by the native speakers, I personally try and avoid this in my writing. When you use full words instead of contraction in your sentence, it not only improves your writing, but it also adds a formal and professional tone to it. Tip number 3 or strategy number 3, reduce your word counts. I know, I'm contradicting myself. 1, I'm telling you don't use contraction, use full words. And now I'm telling you reduce your word counts. But hear me out. We often tend to use words out of habit. Words like so, very, really. These words do not actually add any value to the sentence, or nor do they have any real meaning. For example, I am very hungry. It is really very cold. I am so scared. The words really, very, so are not adding any value to the sentences. We can replace these words with strong words. For example, instead of saying, I am very hungry, you can say, I am famished. Instead of saying, it is very cold today, or it is so cold today, we can say, it is freezing today. Instead of saying, I am so scared, you can say, I am terrified. By replacing words in your sentences and substituting them by strong words, you have now made your writing not only impressive, but you have also shown that you have a variety of vocabulary. Step number 4 or strategy number 4, avoid repetition. In order to avoid sounding monotonous, it is always a good idea to have a list of linking words or key phrases to use in your sentences. You want to make sure that you have a variety of ways to say the same thing. For example, also, in addition, furthermore, besides, moreover. Contrast, on the other hand, however, on the contrary, unlike. Compare, similarly, in the same way, in the like manner, at the same time. Give example, for instance, to illustrate. So these were my 4 KISS strategies. Keep your sentence short and simple, avoid contractions, reduce your word counts, and avoid repetition of words to improve your English writing skills. If you think you have learned something today, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to learn more about improving your English, you can watch my video 3 steps to improve your English by clicking on the link here. I will also leave the link in the description below. Thank you for being with me here today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. So these were my 4 KISS strategies.